6 утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания.
Why would Itachi do such a thing?
He did it to protect you. No matter what, I will love you always.